Here are some common foods that may help with weight loss when included as part of a balanced and healthy diet. Number 1. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are low in calories and high in fiber and nutrients, making them a great addition to a weight loss diet. Number 2. Lean protein sources such as chicken, turkey, fish, and tofu can help promote satiety and prevent overeating. Number 3. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are low in calories and high in fiber and antioxidants. Number 4. Whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats can provide sustained energy and keep you feeling full longer. Number 5. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Number 6. Legumes such as lentils, beans, and chickpeas are high in protein and fiber, making them a great addition to a weight loss diet. Number 7. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are low in calories and high in fiber and nutrients. Number 8. Greek yogurt is high in protein and calcium, which can help promote weight loss and reduce belly fat. Number 9. Avocados are high in healthy fats, fiber, and potassium, which can help promote satiety and prevent overeating. Number 10. Spices such as ginger, cayenne pepper, and cinnamon may help boost metabolism and aid in weight loss.